AMC have a tremendous trading day. GameStop closing with more than 100% for the day, and then after hours right now it's up 86%, 171. And then AMC closed at 909 and right now I'm sitting at $11 a share after hours. So we know that GameStop and AMC are highly correlated. If we look at these two charts, the blue line representing AMC and the yellow lines representing GameStop, these two are correlated, as I mentioned on my previous video on AMC, if you have been following my channel here for a while. So what does it mean? It means these two stocks are correlated, meaning they follow the same pattern. Look at the 5-day chart. 5-day chart, a little bit different here because we had some interesting news that pushed the price of AMC up, but the pattern is almost there. But more interestingly, 1 month, 6 months, so what I want to discuss in this video, guys, or what I want to point attention to is the fact that these two are correlated. As you look here on the 6-month chart, we are seeing a spike here on GameStop, and I mean, we can expect to see another spike on AMC as well. So keep in mind that we have a ton of activity on the options for AMC as well. So AMC is actually number one stock, where we have almost 354 million volume in terms of options for AMC, and this has been increasingly going up since Monday as more and more people were buying these calls because they thought the strike price, meaning the price of AMC, will be going up where we were trading around that $5-6. So people were buying at $6.50, $7.50 up to the point where we are currently sitting at $9.09. So this again is in line with what is happening here with GameStop. So the fact that here we have this huge correlation between the two, we can expect, based on this quick analysis, even though it's not as exact because technical analysis work 50% of the time, so you can really take this as a prediction or as what will happen in the future, because I don't care, as I always mention on my channels, guys, I don't care how expert, I don't care how a big dog or old dog or which system you use, you just cannot predict the future. But based on what happened in the past, you can predict what can happen in the future. And based off of that, I want also to look at pretiming.com. So pretiming.com is a tool based on a technical analysis that will use the historical price movement on the past, historical meaning it happened on the past, and it will predict what will happen in the 10 next days. So for GameStop here, we can expect, it is predicting a price of 300. So with huge gains that we just saw on GameStop, and we saw previously when it hit 500, every day we were sitting on 100% gain, 150, 100% gain, 95% gain. So it doesn't really surprise me that there is potential for GameStop to hit 300 again. Now, what does it mean for AMC again? The fact that these two are correlated, as we see the spike here, we might expect also another spike here. So that's why I wanted to share with you guys. So it is interesting to see what will bring for AMC in the future, especially the fact that we have this huge volume on AMC, and then those people holding those contracts on AMC, they will have to, those contracts will expire on Friday, so the day after the earnings. Also, the fact that we have earnings tomorrow, I definitely see this, if pre-market if the volume holds as it's holding now and everything is in line with earnings, because they are expected to beat earnings, and we'll see how what is the guidance for 2021, meaning what is the company actually focusing on to bring back revenues or to manage the company in order to be profitable again for 2021. So that also might be a huge catalyst for AMC stock in the coming day and definitely next week. So we'll definitely check that out. All right, guys, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in the next one. Until then, take care.